In the heart of the forest, time is measured in bamboo rings. This isn't just a weed, it's a natural skyscraper built from bamboo strength. This isn't just a weed, it's a natural skyscraper built from bamboo strength.
To find its soul, we must first understand its bamboo spirit.
The first break is where the bamboo transformation begins. A beauty hidden from the world, refined from bamboo grace. It must be disciplined by fire to find its permanent bamboo strength. Every piece is a unique bamboo voice, waiting to be heard. The connection is where the bamboo design takes hold.